Here at Broadway Inbound, we are super excited to be able to give student groups and groups a real Broadway experience, seeing the show, having a workshop coordinate with it.
Well, it's great having the workshops here at New York City because they'll be, you could have a workshop next door to the auditions for Matilda or The Lion King, and seeing that posting, like auditions for this, and you're just right next door. That energy you can't get anywhere else.
We're really lucky and fortunate here that we have the chance to offer an experience to student groups and groups that they really get to work with those professionals who are working every night on Broadway, and they come and they teach a class and then they go and do the show. And there's not really anywhere else that you can get that.
When you're going to an open call, they might ask for 16 bars just because they have hundreds and hundreds of people to see.
Jazz and then like contemporary, all of this stuff comes from like a ballet basis. If you are just going to make it like a soft shoe thing, like have it more about the floaty upper body, but I would use that to like really travel and then like make it small again.
If it had escalated, that would have been interesting to us, right? We don't always love to see everybody agree all the time.
A chicken, a goat, what?
When you just do it, then you are a man.
Very good, keep going.
Well, you can use these nerves. You can use these nerves. Also, I want you to support more.
To just do like a basic like chasse, like if I was having to do that through concrete, it's a very different feel than if I'm doing it through like cotton candy, you know what I mean? Like, so you can just like play with that when you're rehearsing movement-based stuff, and it like sparks your imagination differently.
I think that the programs that Broadway Inbound arranges, are driven by passion, and everybody that works here is passionate about what we do and the product that we sell. And I think it really shows in the workshops and the rewards that you can get out of them.
I think the workshops are really valuable because they provide that extra opportunity to have a deeper personal experience, not only to learn something technical, to learn some acting, to learn some dancing, but to connect personally with the show, to have that extra something that will really cement this experience in their minds forever.
The workshops from Broadway Inbound are the best. It's real professionals and you get a real Broadway workshop experience.